Hi, I'm Kandie Frederick with Country Real Estate. Following a series of wildfires and flooding, a legitimate question comes up during escrows. What happens if my home is damaged during a natural disaster while I'm in escrow? No matter where you live, this is a real concern for many homeowners across the U.S. That's why I want to take some time today and explore what steps you can take to make sure you're protected financially in case of an emergency. Number 1, look at the contract. When you're under contract, whether you're a buyer or seller, your purchase agreement likely includes something called a force majeure clause or a casualty loss prevention. This protects both parties in the event of unforeseen circumstances like natural disasters. For example, if a property is damaged or destroyed while under contract, most contracts will give the buyer and seller options for how to proceed, and it's critical to understand the specifics of your agreement. The buyer may have the option to terminate the contract and get their earnest money deposit back, or they may have the right to negotiate repairs or a reduction in price if the property is still salvageable. Number 2, assess the damage. If your home is damaged while under contract, the next thing you'll do is assess the damage. If the home is still standing but has sustained significant damage, like from fire, flooding, or wind, it's important to know that the seller is still responsible for making sure the home is in the same condition as when the contract was signed, unless the damage is so severe that it's considered a total loss. In cases of significant damage, the buyer may have the option to walk away or may be entitled to an adjustment to the purchase price, depending on the severity and the contract details. Buyers may also request that repairs be made before closing or that a specific amount be taken off the purchase price to account for the damage. Number 3, check with insurance. If the home is covered by homeowners insurance, the policy will help cover the cost of repairs or replacement. However, the seller may still need to take steps to file a claim and begin the repair process, and these things can delay the closing timeframes. It's also important for buyers to understand how insurance can affect their financing. Lenders usually require that the home be in good condition before they finalize the loan. If repairs are needed, the lender may delay closing until everything is resolved. If you find yourself in this situation, whether you're buying or selling, I can't emphasize how important it is to communicate early and often with your real estate agent, your lender, and the other party involved. Your real estate team would guide you through the next steps, whether that's adjusting the contract terms, extending the closing date, or even negotiating new terms that make sense for everyone. No matter the situation, there are always options, and you don't have to go through this alone. If you have questions like this, please don't hesitate to reach out. I want you to feel informed and supported through your buying and selling journey. Stay safe, take care of each other, and I look forward to talking to you soon.